When the government notifies you that it intends to take your property through eminent domain, you may have some questions. How does eminent domain work? What's next for you and your family? In Georgia, there are 6 major phases of the eminent domain process. Let's discuss each one and how an attorney can help you navigate them and protect your rights. Number 1, the building evidence phase. Once you become our client, we can immediately start building your eminent domain case by notifying the condemning agency that we represent you, requesting records related to your property, reviewing the government's appraisal for mistakes, checking out comparable sales in your area, researching possible higher value uses of your property, and reaching out to our network of appraisers, surveyors, land planners, engineers, and other experts who can help us determine what your land is really worth. Number 2, the demand and negotiation phase. When our investigation is complete, we present your demand for a higher offer to the government. 4 of our attorneys used to work for a state DOT, so we know what motivates the government and how to negotiate in your best interest. Number 3, the pre-condemnation settlement phase. If we convince the government to give you a fair offer, we complete the paperwork for your settlement check and get you paid. In this scenario, your case ends at this phase. Number 4, the condemnation phase. If you and your attorney are not satisfied with the offer, the government will file a condemnation lawsuit and deposit the initial offer with the court. Once the offer is deposited, the government owns your land, but our fight for maximum compensation continues. We can help you withdraw that initial deposit for your use while we continue compiling evidence and advocating for you, even taking your case to trial as needed. Number 5, the mediation and trial phase. This is an opportunity to sit down with the government and negotiate a settlement based on your property's true value. If no settlement can be reached through mediation, we can take your case to trial as needed. We have handled many trials and know how to present your case for greater compensation based on appraisals, surveys from land experts, in-depth investigation, exhaustive legal research, and more. Number 6, the closing phase. Once a possible settlement or jury verdict is reached, we'll disperse any additional money that we've won for you. Since our firm began, we've gotten our clients on average almost 3 times more than the government's initial offer. There are many possible mistakes and pitfalls that property owners have to avoid throughout the eminent domain process. And the attorneys at the Georgia Eminent Domain Law Firm have the experience and resources to help you at every stage. Working with us is risk-free with our no-fee guarantee. The initial offer from the government is always 100% yours to keep. We advance all the costs of trying to prove your property's full value, and we don't charge you anything at all unless we get you more than your initial offer. You have nothing to lose and possibly a whole lot to gain. For a free case evaluation with no obligation, contact us by phone or online today.